In this video, I will show how to bold table border in Microsoft Word. So, firstly, insert the table. So, as we can see, we have this table, and once you double click on it, so here in table design, there are some options. Now, border. So, select here any style of border and select it like this. Now we can see this table border is bold. Can change the size. Select your desired border and just draw it like this. Also, you can make some more changes, like you can change the color and select all borders. Select any color and just select here all border and click anywhere. So, thanks for watching.